Hello buddy and welcome to my channel. I'm assassinghost and let's continue with the Kotlin basics. In this video we are going to talk about functions overloading. So basically what is overloading and why we want to use overloading we'll take a look at in this video. But before that I would like to let you know that this video has been brought to you by Honey. Honey is a free Chrome extension which automatically find and apply coupon codes when you shop online. Stop searching for coupon code in sales, click on the Honey button during checkout and Honey will automatically apply coupon codes to your shopping cart. Just click the link given in the description down below to learn more. Now let's begin. Okay, same Kotlin file class and name it overloading. Now in this case we are going to define multiple functions with the same name. So for example function sum and with different parameters. So for example we will get our a data type int, data type string, and in the same way we might want to use something like int again, and then what if we want to use something like another int. So basically the name of the function is same. So for example in all these three cases the name of the function is sum, but depending on the type of the data passed to this function. So for example if the passed data is of int and string type, function 1 will be called out. If the passed data is of int, string and int, the second function will be called out. And if the data type passed is of int and int type, the third function will be called out. So basically this is the same function but with different parameters. So this is called overloading. Now let's just go ahead and create our class, call it overloading, and go ahead and create our first function, which is function sum, and we are going to define two variables, x which is of data type int and y which is also of data type int. If this function is called out, what we need to do is basically println x plus y. Okay, now we're going to create same function with different parameters. We'll create function sum, and this time we'll say x with the data type int, y with the data type int, and also a third variable z with data type int. What if this variable gets called out? In this case it will say println x plus y plus z. Now let's go ahead to our main function, fun main args array to the string. Okay, here let us create a new variable called a from our class overloading. Sorry, it should be equals to from our class overloading. Okay, now let's enter some data. In a.sum, which we are calling the function sum, we are going to define the data. Okay, yes. Okay, so a.sum, which means our variable a is storing the value which it is going to pass to our function. So x equals to 2 and y equals to 5. We can also go ahead and do something like a.sum, and in this case we will pass three values, which will be x equals to 3, y equals to 10 and z equals to 20. Now we're using the same function but with different parameters. These are both x and y int, and these are x, y, and z int. So what if we run it? Let's go ahead and run overloading.kd. And once we do that, you will see the first variable. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. Variable a, it passed the value of x equals to 2 and y equals to 5 to the first function because it matches the parameters. It will just go ahead and print x plus y. So for example, 2 plus 5 equals to 7. And in the second case, since we have the 3 parameters, so it is going to send the values to this function. So what this function do is x plus y plus z, which means 3 plus 10 plus 20 equals to 33. So basically this was how you should use function overloading. And if you like this video, please leave a like or subscribe to my channel. We are so close to hitting 1k subscriber. Be sure to check out Honey. And as always, thanks for watching. Peace.